Hey guys, how you going? So we're just going to give you another update on our Wynnum project, the lift and build in under this beautiful old Queenslander. So the boys are absolutely killing it here. I think this is our 6th week on site, so I'll go and give you a quick look. We finished all the frame. We had our engineers inspection this week. So the boys have been smashing that out. It's all passed as usual. And we've now got the machine on site today. We're getting stuck in and getting the pool dug. But I'll just give you a really quick look. I haven't got a lot of time this morning. I'll give you a really quick look inside. So as usual, really neat site. The boys have come through. We've done all our drop ceilings. I'll try and come in here so a little bit out of the noise. But this frame has come up smick. So we only had a couple of guys on this site last week, but they've absolutely smashed it out. It's all done, finished, it's passed its frame inspection. So look, everything we do on our sites is above and beyond. So we use all the termite treated framework. We use 90mm framework instead of 70mm. Little things like this. So all of our steel posts. So in the previous videos you would have seen this house got lifted up and it was sitting on steel posts. You can see the new steel beams up there. All the steel posts are now hid within our framework. I don't know if you can see that. Everywhere that we attach our frame, so a lot of builders will only put studs on one side of their posts and they'll just keep their centers going for their studs. We put studs on both sides of our steelwork. Just a lot better finish. Makes it easier on the outside to fix your cladding to. And it's just a lot better job. But you'll see here, there's a batten screw in there. So we drill and batten screw. So there's another one here. So we basically go sort of 600 centers all the way. Got another one just down here. So basically each stud, these are up to the underside of barriers here is about 2.9 meters. So each stud's got about 4 or 5 batten screws into it. Again, just makes it so much more solid, but also in where you got your bracing ply nailed to those studs, it just means that that stud is connected to the steelwork. By the time the bracing ply is nailed off, it's a completely solid unit. It's never ever going to go anywhere. But we've also come through, we've done all our drop ceilings. So we've got all of our ceiling binders in, and then we've got the metal ceiling batten that the gyp rot will get fixed to. The boys have come through, we've done all our tie down. So we've got all of our cyclone rods in here and our big washers to tie the wall plates down. This particular job, as it's an old Queenslander, the front of the house has got these old timber windows in, so they're recycled windows. They actually come out of a previous job of ours from about 2.5 years ago. They've been sitting in our shed. We showed the clients on this particular project. They're very similar to the ones upstairs. So we did a deal with the client, so we've managed to salvage those windows and reuse them, which is fantastic. But yeah, as usual, the boys are just doing a really good job. Beautiful, nice, neat, tidy frame. We've got, you'll see above me here, so we go through and settle our ceilings out for our plasterer with the expansion joint. So off the end of this hallway here, we've got an expansion joint. So we've stopped, you'll see we've stopped our battens, our ceiling battens. We've run the sheets, so the sheets will run a different way, but then we've got solid nogging in there, which will be an expansion joint in the plaster work. So we've got them a few places around. We've got another one here at the end of this hallway. Above here we've got our lintel in above our cavity sliding door. So yeah, look, everything is done in this job. We've got all of our bulkheads done. So we get all of our framing finished, completed, ceilings framed, bulkheads done, and that way the following trades, so the electrician, the air conditioner, contractor and the plumber, they all know where they have to run their pipes. We don't just finish our framework and then let them come in and do their pipes and stuff wherever they want. We frame the job out how we want it, and that way they can then figure out to run their pipes where they need to go. So I'll just give you another example of that. Out here in the hallway, we've got a little mudroom type area. We've got a pipe coming up in the slab for the stack to go up to the existing bathroom and kitchen. You'll see we've framed it all in. So we've already got our box around where the pipe, so the plumber will run his pipe up and connect it above, and we don't have to come back through later on and try and do anything with it. So yeah, look, another awesome job. Boys are absolutely killed it. Don't know if you can see above me here, but again, anywhere we've got ply bracing walls internally and externally, they've all been coach screwed to the bearers and the joists above. So yeah, look, again, just a really solid, really straight, really nice frame. The Gyprock is going to love this one. Cheers, guys.